Hello and welcome to day 20 of this month's Make With Me project. We are working on a Crochet Stitches Sampler welcome mat, and today we are putting in our last section for our last stitch that we're going to learn, the harvest stitch. Let's get started. To make the harvest stitch, we are going to begin with double crochets, so we're going to make sure we chain 2. When I changed my yarn color, that was my first chain. And then we're going to make 2 double crochets into the first 2 stitches. So there's 1 and 2. And then we're going to skip 2 stitches and we're going to end up making a cluster. So we will yarn over, skip 2 stitches, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. Should have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, insert our hook into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Should have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through. We should have 7 loops on our hook. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through the first 6, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to chain 2. And we're going to make another cluster into that same stitch. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and one more time. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to yarn over, pull through 6, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to skip 2 stitches, again, 1 and 2, and make a double crochet. And then we're going to make another double crochet into the next stitch. And this is going to be the pattern that we repeat. 2 double crochets, skip 2 stitches, make a cluster, chain 2 and another cluster into that next stitch, skip 2 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So now I'm ready to skip 2 and make another cluster. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, insert, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 6, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to chain 2 and make 1 more cluster into that same stitch. And now we're going to skip 2 stitches and make 2 double crochet. So this is the pattern we'll follow across the row. I'm going to finish this row and meet you there. Okay, I just finished the first row of the harvest stitch. I had 2 stitches after my 2 clusters, so I just skipped 1 stitch and made a double crochet in the last stitch. And then I chained 2 and turned my work. And so now wherever there's a double crochet, I'm going to do a double crochet on top of that. So I finished with 1, so I'll do 1 there. And then I'm going to come into the chain space that we were making clusters in. I'm going to repeat the same cluster, chain 2 cluster, but into this chain space. So I'm going to make my first cluster. I'm going to chain 2 and make another cluster into that same chain space. Okay, now in row 2 there will be no skipping stitches. We're just going to head to where we had the 2 double crochets. And we're going to make double crochets on top of those ones. And then I'm just going to repeat, making clusters, chain 2 clusters into the next chain space. So make my first cluster. Going to chain 2 and make my next cluster. done. Like I said, no skipping stitches in this row. So I'll head to my next double crochet, make a double crochet into that stitch, and a double crochet into the next stitch. And this is the pattern I will repeat across the rows from here on out. I think I'm going to make 3 rows of the harvest stitch. So I will meet you at the end of the section. So here is the end of that section of the harvest stitch. And so we are finished with our rug with that section. And we just have one more thing to do. We are going to make an edge for the whole rug so that way it looks a little more clean. And if you would like to add tassels, I'll show you how to add tassels. So join me next time to finish off the rug. Bye guys.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.